Hello everyone, and welcome back to the WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the Terms and Condition Lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. The Terms and Condition Lock allows users to accept your website's or business's terms and conditions before they can download a file. Before we begin, make sure WordPress Download Manager is already installed and activated on your WordPress website. Now, let's get started. Open an existing download package or create a new one. Inside the package settings, navigate to the Lock Options tab. From the list of available lock types, select Terms and Condition Lock. Once selected, the Terms and Condition Lock settings will appear. You can configure this lock in two different ways. Display the complete terms and conditions content inside the download lock model, or display a custom message with a link to your terms and conditions page instead of showing the full content. Let's look at the first method. First, create a terms and conditions page on your website if you haven't already. It should contain all of your terms and conditions. Next, from the Terms page dropdown, select the page you just created. Now enter an appropriate title for the lock. Leave the Terms and Condition content field empty for now. Finally, enter a checkbox label, such as, "Once everything is configured, click Update or Publish." Now let's preview the package from the Downloads page. Click on Download button. As you can see, the complete content of the selected Terms and Conditions page is displayed inside the lock modal. Users can read through the terms and accept them by checking the confirmation checkbox. Once the checkbox is selected, the Download button becomes available, allowing them to download the file. Now let's look at the second option. Instead of displaying the full terms and conditions inside the modal, you can display a custom message with a link to your terms and conditions page. To do this, first remove the selected page from the Terms page dropdown. Next, you can also use your own custom content or HTML code to create a clickable link to your terms and conditions page, like this. After making the changes, click Update. Let's preview the package once again. This time, instead of displaying the full terms and conditions, the lock modal shows the custom message you created. Users can click the provided link to read the terms and conditions on a separate page, then return to accept the terms and continue with the download. And that's how you can use the Terms and Condition Lock feature in WordPress Download Manager. Thanks for watching.